Welcome back to Let's Play Master Spirits. Now I just showed you quickly my new souls. I was pissed off at this moment, I had done this so freaking many times. I was just, freaking bored. Pretty much new tactic, run. Run like hell, ignore enemies, kill enemies here to get health. As you can see, I'm using the Spirit of Fire. I have Mick and Corey, Lee Palong, the Chloe. Yeah, Chloe. And then I have Bason, Adimadaru and Spirit of Fire with some, boosting stuff. Pretty much as you can see, I hate this guy. And that hurts, that big one, so pretty much I was just being bitching here. Really, I knew this area like the back of my hand, but I hate it at the same time because I've seen it so many times. I was supposed to, skip this guy, but you just can't skip him. Really, he's just a jackass. So I just decided to fight him, but no, he tries to, keep it cool, keep it long range, keep it annoying. And don't get hit by the big one, please. As you can see, the Ultra Cavalry Charge, aka Bason, is, this is the Ultra Cavalry Charge. It pretty much hits multiple times. It's the basic Bason attack, except multiple times. Really good, even makes you actually move forward. But you can't use the good old, what was it? I forgot the other attack, the Golden Thunder Impalement. You can't use it if you use the Ultra Cavalry Charge. Also, the Ultra Cavalry Charge uses a lot of Furyoku, so... But yeah, to get actually it, you have to use the +3, so... No problems here. Also, yay, Antidote, which I hope I will need. Also, Mama. That is the only place where you can actually jump to avoid her, him, whatever. And more bats. I hate bats. They only give you 8 health with the Spirit of Fire. Damn weaklings, die. Pretty much you don't want to get into the alcoves when the enemies are there, you just get hit. Pretty much at this point of the game you want to use the Spirit of Fire. Also Meek ready, running away, there's 2 birds, there's Showling, there's freaking falling bricks, and the end of the level. Finally got it through, it's over, it's time for the final battle. Let me just do something different. I sell stuff. I actually sell a few burgers. Okay, let's buy some noodles. Like a smart person. Cause really, hamburgers just kill me halfway. So, better to have noodles, And yeah, that's it. 2 hamburgers, 2 noodles. I don't have enough money for anything. Final battle, go. Yep, that's historic. Final battles is Seke and Opochao. Opochao uses Mama Soul actually. And Seke has 4 attacks. Pretty much I just take away the 3rd deck because I don't need it. I only need the first 2 because I need Lee Palong to actually wall chop here. Okay, so Seke has 4 attacks. This one, which if you get hit by that you get slowed down and it drains all your Furyoku. Then he has this attack where he just shoots fire at you. Then he has this attack where he just, fires fire everywhere. And this final super attack which he does when he's in the middle, making a huge, giant wall of flame. Try to avoid that. I have never actually been able to avoid it, so... Also, you can't kill Opochao. He just, gets stunned, nothing else. Also, I realized that I don't need Spirit of Fire at this moment, because, hell, there's no small enemies to kill, so... I get Silver Shield to get some more defense. And then I get hit by Opochao. Awesome. Yeah, this is the fire everywhere attack. Pretty much this video is only gonna be this. There's nothing else. Yeah, this is not a hard fight, but he doesn't do that much damage even. Oh whoa, this is the super fire attack. I have never been able to actually run away from it. But yeah, he just does this, and it actually sucks you in, so it's kinda hard to dodge. Also, it's kinda hard. Yeah, I was decided to take Opochao. Pretty pretty much Ultra Cavalry Charge and Grand Hello Blade are pretty good. I was trying to use it, but yeah, not enough Furyoku. Because of the, you know, Celestial Slash, which doesn't use that much Furyoku, and I was really thinking I got hit. Where the heck is Opocha? When did he get to the left? What? But yeah, anyway. Finishing the fight, just hit him with Grand Hello Blade and maybe with the Ultra Cavalry Charge or whatever you want. Just hit him. He's kinda tough. Don't get hit by that attack, it's annoying, it slows you down, it drains all your Furyoku. You don't want that. Also be ready to use Lee Palang. You might actually replace Basum with Lee Palang if you want. So you don't need to, you know, replace your souls all the time or change the deck. And we're done! Sega's defeated! Haha, we beat you! Game over! We win! Yay! Yay? Yeah, need a hand? Sure, wait. What are you doing? Ow! Ow, my brain! And my souls! Oh,